Sat Shri Akal Ji. So this video is about Northern College, which is open for September 24 intake. We have already posted about this college on our Instagram account. So if you are not following our account, don't forget to follow that. The link is mentioned in the description below, and all the information which I am going to share with you guys in this video will be posted in the description below. Also, so if you have any hard time understanding any information which I am sharing in this video, do check the description, and even after that you don't get it, you can definitely call me or email me for it. Okay, so the TIMMINS campus is open. Application fees is 100 CAD, and IELTS requirement is 6 overall in 5.5, and for postgraduate 6.5 overall, not less than 6. And the programs which are open for postgraduate, we're going to start with the postgraduate programs first. Are CyberSecurity. In this program, 6 overall IELTS is accepted. Healthcare management for any graduate students in healthcare. Then comes information system and business analysis, and then comes supply chain management, global business and entrepreneurship, technology. All these programs are for management background students. And then comes undergraduate program. So the thing is, the undergraduate program बहुत सारे हैं. We are going to share a few of them in this video because videos then becomes unnecessarily long, so उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होता. So the programs are like addiction and mental health worker. For students who have done psychology in their 12th can opt for this program. And then comes Bachelor of Computer Science for medical students or students who have done diploma in computer science also. And then comes the business human resource. This is for commerce students. Then comes civil engineering technician for non-medical students. Computer engineering technician. This is also for non-medical students. Then comes early childhood education. This is for art students who have studied psychology in their 12th. And then comes electrical engineering technology. This is also for non-medical students. And then comes fitness and health promotion, or medical students can also opt this program. Then comes mechanical engineering technician for non-medical students, and even for students. So all the engineering programs, students who have done ITI diploma or any diploma from a government university or a college, they can also use that particular certificate to apply in these engineering based programs. बस आप वो जो प्रोग्राम हो वो रिलेटेड हो, ठीक है ना. शुड बी रिलेटेड. इट्स नॉट लाइक टोटली, जैसे कई बार होता है ना, इफ स्टूडेंट हैज डन प्लम्बिंग एंड दैट स्टूडेंट ऑफ फॉर मैकेनिकल, समटाइम जस्ट एन एग्जांपल, नहीं मैकेनिकल तो फिर भी सूट कर जाएगा. इफ समबडी हैज डन प्लम्बिंग एंड देन अप्लाइंग इन अ कंप्यूटर बेस्ड प्रोग्राम, दैट इज टोटली नॉट रिलेटेड, राइट. सो कुछ हद तक रिलेटेड हो, एंड इफ रिलेट द प्रोग्राम एंड देन ऑप्ट फॉर इट, इट विल डेफिनेटली इम्प्रूव योर वीजा चांसेस ऑल्सो. ओके, एनी स्टूडेंट्स हु इवन आफ्टर रिफ्यूजल अगर आपने किया हो, एंड देन डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव योर वीजा चांसेस. एंड देन कम्स medical laboratory technician for medical students. Office administration executive, this is for commerce students. Yes, art students also opt for this one, but it is not recommended because commerce students का visa charges इसमें ज़्यादा रहता है. And then comes personal support worker. So students who have done psychology or social science can opt for this one. Then comes social service worker for art students जिन्होंने psychology और even if sociology पढ़ा है, then you can opt for this one. Then comes welding engineering technician inspection. This is for non-medical students. So these are few programs which are open, and many more also. So if you are interested in applying in these programs, email us. Our email ID is mentioned in the description below. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting. Bye bye.